In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your age on TikTok. If you've entered your birth date incorrectly or need to update it for any reason, follow this simple tutorial carefully. Let's get started. TikTok doesn't allow you to directly edit your birth date in the settings, likely to maintain account integrity. But don't worry, there's an alternative way to update your age. Start by opening TikTok on your device and going to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. From there, access the menu by tapping the three lines in the top right corner and select the Settings and Privacy option. Next, scroll down until you find the option to report a problem. Under the Topics section, choose Account and Profile, then select Editing Profile. Since the birthday option isn't listed, tap on Other. At the bottom, you'll see an option for needing more help. Select it. This is where you'll submit your request. Write a message explaining that your birth date is incorrect and needs to be updated. Mention that you're willing to provide an ID if necessary, but don't upload it unless requested. Submit your report, and TikTok will get back to you within a couple of days to help update your age. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.